So today we tackle the front brake pads on my Tahoe. Very, very simple job. So let's go with a quick overview and then I'll just time lapse the rest of it. T50 back here, right there, right there. Take that off. Before you want to do that, probably stick a pry bar in here and pull out the inside of the rotor just so you can decompress the piston a little bit. Then you pull everything out. Take off your old pad clips. Take out the old pads. Clean everything real nice. Throw everything back in, and then you're good to go. At the same time, you kind of want to see that Zerk fitting right there, really grungy. Probably want to grease that guy up because that's the ball joint down here. And that's about it. I'm not doing pads, or I'm not doing the rotor or anything. So quick DIY. So let's go. Alright, so 20 minutes later on this side, I am done. So basically, you saw me do everything. I had a little snag with the caliper coming off, so I actually took a C-clamp and compressed the piston down. That's not a big deal. It's a 6-inch C-clamp. I already put it away. So yeah, you can see that's all greased up now. This is bled. So a good tip, which I might also put in a different video, but this guy, I use a Harbor Freight Mighty Vac bleeder, which just uses that cap over the bleeder. It doesn't seal that well. Well, what you do is take some caliper grease, this stuff, smear it over like the outer edge of the bleeder, and then put this rubber piece on, and it seals it way better than ever before. So then you can actually hold pressure. I hold about like 14-13 psi, and then that's how I bleed the brakes. Works a lot better. I picked that up from somebody else online, so it helps out a lot. Otherwise, pump the brakes a couple times and then take it out for a drive and bed them in. And then, yeah, there you go. Tahoe's all set. And I guess the reason why I did this is, yeah, so this pad is shot. There's like no material left, but all the other ones were pretty good. But either way, now this thing's got 4 new brake pads all around, so should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching.